I'm here in Dallas for REITWorld 2011, and joining me is Kevin Lindemann, Managing Director with S&L Financial. So Kevin, dividends have always been an important component of the REIT investment proposition. How are yields looking right now?
Yields are down a little bit this year. They're right around 3.8%, down from sort of the 4.5% to 5% that we'd seen over the past couple years. I mean, I think there's some really positive trends that we're seeing there. We've had 47 REITs have increased their dividends this year. That's certainly, from an investment perspective, that's a real positive. Payout ratios are at very reasonable levels. I think when you look at what we're expecting in terms of AFFO growth rates, I think there are going to be plenty of companies are going to have an opportunity to increase their dividends in 2012. You know, I would expect sort of low single-digit percent increases in dividends, but everything looks pretty stable, and particularly when you compare it to where 10 years are right now, down around 2%, they're really looking pretty attractive.
And as the start of the Modern REIT Era reaches its 20th anniversary, you know, succession is a natural conversation point. What, in your mind, are some of the most important traits for the next generation of REIT leaders to have? You know,
I think the REIT leadership that we've been fortunate enough to have, they've generally been good stewards of capital. REITs have been really models of transparency, corporate governance. All of that has been a very, very healthy thing for the real estate industry generally. So I think we would want to continue to see those trends continue to bring transparency, accountability, good corporate governance practices there. Things like sustainability are becoming more and more current issues, and a lot of REITs have really started to take notice of that, and I think that's another trend that we're going to see continue and probably be embraced by the next generation of leaders.
And last question, you're a veteran of these NAREIT events. What's been the mood and the focus of conversation here at REITWorld?
Well, I think everybody is probably a bit more concerned about broader economic issues than anything else. You know, we're still trying to figure out when we're going to see significant job growth, and sort of general more macroeconomic issues seem to be more the current topic than kind of property level things. So everybody's waiting for the economy to start growing again, and the companies seem really well positioned when that eventually happens.
Great. Kevin, thanks so much for joining us. Great. For more from REITWorld 2011, be sure to visit REIT.com.